So you're Sam, I am?
I am Sam.
You are?
I am.
Sam, you are?
Yes.
Well, we have funny treats today.
Oh, you have humans.
This is a mailman.
Oh, okay. I'll eat that one.
They're people crackers.
Oh, it's an animal crackers.
Yeah. Here we have a dog catcher.
Oh, I'll eat that one.
No,
Oh,
let's see. Oh, I got to get you a mailman.
Oh, you already got me, mailman.
Oh, sorry.
I need the red one.
The fireman.
The fireman.
Woo, here comes a fire.
Oh, I took that one quite well.
No, you know what? That was a hydrant.
Look, I'm just going to help myself.
No, here's a fireman.
Oh, I'm just going to help myself.
Would you rather have that?
I would. What is that?
It's a rawhide.
Oh.
And made in America. I made sure everything's made in America.
Oh, good. Good for you.
So
this one takes me a little longer.
So how do you like New York?
It's fun.
Good.
I've been here all my life.
Oh, okay. Yep. I forget things.
That's okay. It gets confusing.
Some things I forget.
Yeah, you forget.
Okay.
This is an awful good treat.
It is. I see that.
I could do this all day.
Well,
I'll get another one.
Okay, good.
Which one should I get?
Eat a mailman.
No, I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good one.
Okay, we gotta go,
this
Sam.
Is fun.
You're a good boy.
Okay, bye.